Okay, so good PM, students. Today we are going to discuss or have a review about the circle. Okay, so in this figure, this is called circle O. Okay, so remember, ang pangalan ng circle, lagi siyang nakadepende sa kung ano yung letter na nandun sa kanyang center. So in this case, this is letter O, so we have circle O. Okay, so first question, let's find diameter. Okay? So according sa mga napag-aralan natin, diameter, ito yung point or line na nagko-connect. Again, diameter, ito ay line na nagko-connect sa dalawang point ng circle tapos dumadaan sa center. So, hanap tayo ng dalawang point na may line tapos dumaan sa center. Okay? So in this case, meron tayong ilang lines na dumaan sa center. This is our center. Okay? And then ilang lines yung dumaan. We have this line and this line. So the first line, we have segment WR. Don't forget to put yung line sa taas. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kapag may line sa taas, we are referring to a line sa ating circle. And then the second one is A to T. Sir, pwede po bang baliktad yung pagkakalagay namin? Halimbawa, R to R. R to W and then T to A. Okay lang naman. Okay? Dahil they have the same description naman. Okay? Now, since that we are able to find the diameter, let's proceed with the central angle. Okay. So, central angle, this is defined as the angle na ang kanyang vertex ay nasa center. That's why it is called central. Yun yung ulo ninyo daw. Kapag central angle, titingin kayo sa gitna ng circle natin. Ito. Now, anong angles dito sa circle? Ito yung vertex. When we say vertex, let's say we have an angle. Vertex, ito. Okay? So, let's find it sa ating circle. Again, dapat ang dulo yung gitna. So, in this case, we have ito, A, O, R. That is 1. So, measurement, angle, AOR. Next, ito pa. So, TOR. Angle TOR. Then this one again, WOP. And last, we have this angle which is WOA. Okay, so that is for our central angle. Next, let's look for the chords. When we say chords or chord, ito yung lines sa circle na nagko-connect ng dalawang point. Again, when we say chords, ito ay line sa circle natin na nagko-connect ng dalawang point. So halimbawa, we have a circle. This, okay? Now, ang chord ko ay ganito daw. So, ganyan. Ibig sabihin, kinonect niya ito sa kayong line, sa kayong point dito. So, pwede natin magtarin niya ng chord. So, lahat yan ay chord. As long as it connects 2 points na nasa circle natin. Pwede rin pa ganyan. Pwede pa ganito. Okay? So, lahat yan ay chord. Okay? Now, kung mapapansin niyo, dyan sa mga chord natin, ano yung pinakamahabang chord? Yung nasa gitna. Okay? Now, kung nasa gitna siya, dadaan siya doon sa ating diameter. So with that, dadaan siya sa ating center, which goes under the definition of diameter. With that, we could say that diameter is the longest chord na nag-exist sa ating circle. Okay? Now that we are able to define what a chord is, hanapin natin ngayon yung lines dito na pasok sa definition ng chord. Okay? So in this case, basically we are just going to trace the lines that we have. So let's start here. A to S. That is 1. So again, if you are referring to a line, huwag kakalimutan isulat yung line segment sa taas. Okay? So A to S. Then para hindi tayo manito, sunod-sunod natin A to S, S to R. Then R to A. A to T. Then P to W, W to R. Again, W to R. Okay, so with that, nagawa na natin lahat. Okay? So we have 6 cores in total dito sa ating circle. Okay? Now, let us proceed with semicircles. Okay. So semicircle, according sa ating definition, ito yung kalahati ng circle. That's why semi. Suppose we have this circle, kalahatiin mo yan, that is semi. Pagtingin mo yung pataas, that is also a semi. As long as hindi siya sa gitna, that is semicircle. Another thing, when we talk about semicircle, its angle should always be 180. Ulit, kapag we are talking about semicircle or semicircle angle, we are talking about 180 degrees. Why? Suppose we have a circle. Anong measurement ng whole circle pagdating sa degrees? That would be 360. 360 siya buo. Eh, hinati natin sa gitna. So, mahati sa gitna 360. With that, you will end up with 180 here and then 180 also sa taas. Okay, so kaya siya tinawag na semicircle. Now, let's look for the semicircles ng ating figure. So, obviously, ang semicircle dapat dadaan siya saan? Dahil we are talking about half or gitna, it should go through or pass through our center. Kasi nga yung gitna. So, anong lines dyan yung dumaan sa gitna? Ito, saka ito. So, doon tayo titingin. So, tingnan. Kapag semicircles, ang ilalagay natin or kung paano natin siya isusulat is papunta sa arc or pa-arc yung isusulat natin. Okay? So, ganito. Halimbawa, in this example, ang unang line natin na dumaan sa circle, sa center ay T and A. Okay, sila yung dumaan. So, meron tayong portion na ito. Itong portion na ito yung pinag-uusapan natin. Oh. So, that is a semicircle. Okay? Now, para isulat yan, kailangan natin sundan yung daloy ng points natin or yung pagkakasulat niya. So, we will have starting from T. So, T. Then, pili kayo ng midpoint. So, in this case, isa lang yung midpoint natin or yung gitnang point. That would be R. And then, yung dulong point, papunta nga tayo ng A, di ba? Kailangan pa ganun. That would be A. And then we are talking about semicircle, and semicircle is an arc. Lalagay tayo ng arc. Okay, ibig sabihin, we are referring to a line na pa-curve. Hindi pwedeng pag-diretso agad. Okay? So that is one. What else? Ano pa ang ating semicircle dyan? Ito, pakabila. So tingnan, dito, T papunta sa A pero kabila naman. Kung mapapansin, kung isang letter lang yung isulat, o kung dalawang letter lang sinulat natin, magiging parehas. Paano parehas? Halimbawa, meron tayong circle dito. Natin natin sa gitna, meron tayong AB. Kapag sinabi natin arc AB, hindi natin ma-identify kung ano yung tinutukoy, yung papunta pa dito o papunta ba dito. Kasi parehas na yan. Okay? That's why sometimes kapag may ganito tayo, we have to identify a midpoint para masabi natin or maging specific tayo dun sa pinag-uusapan natin part. Okay? So, let's proceed here. So, another semicircle na meron tayo would be T papunta dito sa kabilang A pero dito. So, ibig sabihin, dito naman kayo pipili ng midpoint natin. So, ang dami nating letters. Pwede kayong mamili ng kahit dito sa dalawa. So, let's say, gusto ko ay W. So, I will have T, W, A. Okay? And then, meron pa tayong semicircle again. Kasi meron pa tayong line na nag-ate, which is yung horizontal line natin. Okay? So, pwede natin ilagay W, pili ng midpoint. Oh, so, WSR. Then, yung pababa naman, WAR. Okay, so that is for semicircles. Next, let's talk about the inscribed angle. Inscribed angle. Okay, so when we talk about inscribed angle, ang tinutukoy natin dito ay yung angle na ang vertex naman, again, vertex, ito yung nasa dulo. Ang vertex ay nandun mismo sa circle natin or nandun mismo sa linya ng circle natin. So hindi, kanina sa central angle, ang clue natin nasa center. Dito, yung kabila naman. Kailangan daw yung angle nakadikit mismo or yung vertex nakadikit mismo sa circle. So in this circle, i-identify natin sila. So ito ay angle na nakadikit dito sa circle natin. This is also an angle. This is also an angle na nakadikit doon. Okay? Tapos kung mapapansin ninyo, itong angle na to, inscribed angle, pwede pa yung natingin sa dalawa. Pwedeng ito, tapos pwedeng ito. Okay? And then here, we also have one big angle. Then pwede ulit natingin sa dalawa kasi ito. Yan, yung TAR. And then the same case can also happen here. Okay? Pag-record natin yan. Then ito, another inscribed. Ayan. So yan yung mga inscribed angles natin. Masyadong marami, pero magsulat tayo ng ilan. Okay? So, kung ito yung vertex natin, ASR. So, dahil angle ang tinutukoy, angle ang ilalagay nyo. Okay? What else? Ito yung vertex. So, WTA. Ayan. So, marami pa yan. Okay? Hindi na natin iisa-isahin para mabilis tayo sa ating discussion. Okay? Next, we have intercepted arcs. Okay? So when we say intercepted arcs, ito yung arc na makikita natin dito. For example, here, intercepted arc of TR or intercepted arc TR. Ang tinutukoy natin dito ay ito. T papunta kay R, which is yung distance na ito. Okay? So when we ask or when you see question about intercepted arc, we are referring to an arc here. Okay? But before we proceed here, we have to review some things muna about the measurement of intercepted arc. Okay? Meron kasi tayong nagiging gulo or nagkakaroon tayo ng misunderstanding. Kailangan maintindihan natin ang pinagkaiba nitong measurement of arc TR. Measurement of arc TR, iba siya kay intercepted arc TR. Magkaiba yan. Kapag ganito, ang tinutukoy natin or ang hinahanap natin should be an angle. So, any angle. Angle ang sagot dyan. Okay? Now, kapag ito naman ang hinahanap, we are looking for a number mismo. Distance. So, pwedeng ang sagot nyo ay nag-end up with a pi. Okay? So, yan yung tinutukoy natin kapag RTR, tapos kapag measurement of RTR. Okay? So, eto, kailangan muna natin itong malaman. Paano natin malalaman yan? Tingnan. Measurement of TR. Measurement of arc TR. To know the measurement of TR, tingnan natin siya. Ito yung tinutukoy natin. TR. Now, according sa rules natin, meron tayong sinusunod na ang measurement daw nito should be equals kapag dinivide natin siya dito. Ulit. Sa isang circle, here. Suppose we have this circle. Tapos meron tayong ganito. Ang tawag dyan ay inscribed angle. Tama? Kasi yung angle niya dito, nakadiretso sa circle natin. Now, kung ano man yung measurement nito, let's say ito ay 20 degrees. Okay? To get the value here, kailangan i-multiply mo sa 2. So, magiging 20 times 2, that would be 40. So, 40 degrees ang measurement nito sa linya ito. Now, kung ito naman yung nakawala, ito yung given, i-divide mo naman siya sa 2 para makuha yung inscribed angle. Okay? So, let's try to apply that here. Okay, so dito, meron tayong inscribed angle na, ito, inscribed angle TAR. Tingnan. Inscribe angle T, AR. So we are referring to this angle. Okay? Now, according dito, kung gagayahin natin siya to get the value here, or since may value na tayo dito, which is 60 degrees. Ayan yan, 60 degrees. Diba? Ano kaya yung value ng angle na to? E di i-divide natin siya by 2. So with that, 60 divided by 2 would be 30. So with that, our degree here or our angle is 30 degrees. Yun yung relation between inscribed angle and its measurement of intercepted arc. Okay? Now, sir, what if meron naman po tayong intercepted arc and meron po tayong central angle? Okay? Now, kapag central angle naman, let's have this example. Okay? So kapag central angle, meron tayong center, meron tayong angle. Let's say, ito. Ayan, so this is a central angle. According naman kay central angle or sa relation central angle at inscribed, yung central angle and yung intercepted arc niya, kung ano man yung value nito, yun din ang value nito. So, ibig sabihin, kung ito ay 25 degrees, edi 25 degrees din ito. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Now, hanap tayo ngayon ng central angle dito. So, ito ay central angle, di ba? WOT. That is a central angle. Ito yan. Okay? Now, ano yung kanyang intercepted arc? Edi zoom out tayo dito. Ang tinutukoy natin is echo round. Okay? So, that would be W papunta kay T. Now, kung mapapansin, may dalawa tayong angle, 70 and 50. So, you have to add them. Kasi nga, ang kailangan natin is yung buong angle nito. So, with that, 70 plus 50, we will have 120. So, 120 degrees daw yung total nito. Itong buong nito. Okay? Now, kung 120 degrees yan, para makuha yung angle nito, anong rule natin? Anong kailangan gawin? Wala na, kasi that is the same, right? Kasi nga, according dito, they should be equal. So with that, we can say that this is 120 degrees. Okay? So, ayun. Ano pa? Okay, so with that, let's end this discussion na muna. So I hope naiintindihan ninyo yung different parts natin and kung saan nyo siya hanapin dito sa circle. Kung kailangan pang malaman or kailangan pang reviewin, ulit-ulitin lamang yung video. Again, we have discussed about diameter. Si diameter, connected siya kay radius. Hindi ko nag-discuss si radius. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin lang ni radius is yung half ng circle natin. So from here to any point sa circle, that is a radius. Okay? So we have discussed about diameter, central angle, chords, semicircles, and then inscribed angle, central angle, intercepted arcs, tapos yung relation ng bawat angles natin. Okay? So again, ito para lang siyang laro. Meron kang clues, tapos kailangan mo lang alamin anong clue yung magagamit mo to find the next clue. Okay? Para lang siyang mystery game. Okay? So I hope may natutunan. And with that, I hope pumasa sa exam.